We make up our lives in stories. The person we are, the experiences we've had, those are a series of stories that we tell ourselves. How do we take this barrage of sensory experiences that we have and turn it into this comprehensive story that is us, that is our life?
The brain is the most complicated system that we know of in the universe. There's no way that any one person or any one lab with one disciplinary training is going to be able to tease apart what's happening with it.
What's going on in the brain? How is it helping me stand here and move my arms and talk? Understanding those relationships are a tremendous mystery. But now we're at this moment, because of the technology, because of the collaborations, now we're actually able to start answering some of these beautiful and dynamic questions about really how we function and live in our planet.
The mission of Georgia Tech is to advance technology and improve the human condition. Georgia Tech faculty and students have long had an interest in studying the cells and tissues of the human body towards addressing disease. Now, to study the brain, we need to take an even larger approach.
Our research requires new computational tools, new devices, new circuits. We have to bring all those things together, as well as understanding the brain and its cognition.
The neuroscience and neurotech community here at Georgia Tech is really tremendous. It's all encompassing. People that are doing theoretical work, cellular work, translational work, work in humans, very broad scale with really exciting interest in going into dynamic areas.
Georgia Tech's vision of impacting society could not be more powerfully served than by the neuroscience and neurotechnology work that we do here. Neurologic disorders and mental health disorders are one of the leading causes of impairment in the world.
We are at the beginning of an explosion of fundamental insights into the way the brain works. I think there's real potential for Alzheimer's disease in particular, but also at a therapeutic level, there's real potential for many neurological and psychiatric diseases.
What happens if you were to, let's say, have a stroke? How does your brain change as a result of that? And how can we design better therapies to help support daily living after those injuries have occurred?
Georgia Tech is uniquely positioned to bring technological approaches to bear, to understand these relationships, to understand how to intervene, and to develop technologies and therapies that are going to have amazing impact on society.